get Witch Hat token in Monopoly Go. First, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this application or your Monopoly Go is up to date. Players can win prizes in the Halloween themed Bewitching Bash event by accumulating points. By landing on a chance, community chess, or a railroad style, players can win gifts. Additionally, gamers can attain greater milestone the more points they accumulate. So, by the way, what is this Witch Hat token? You may only obtain the Witch Hat token from the Bewitching Bash event after achieving 11,940 points. Given that it is only available for a short period of time, it is rare and special item. Okay? And then, additionally, you can score points by touching tiles with a chance, community chest, and railroad symbols. And so, upon reaching or you will receive the Witch Hat token as compensation after you hit milestone number 31. As a result, it has the appearance of a witched cap on a broom, a fantastic way to demonstrate your abilities. Okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.